In this quick tutorial, we'll walk you through how to use proposal templates for different services. Whether you're in consulting, design, marketing, or any service-based industry, mastering proposal templates can save you tons of time and help you secure more clients. Stick around till the end because I'm going to show you how to make these templates work for your specific needs, and I've got an exclusive free trial of a software that can make this process even easier. So, how do you use proposal templates effectively? First, always choose a template that aligns with the type of service you're offering. Each service has different requirements, and using a generic template might not cover everything. For example, a marketing proposal will need a section for strategy and budget breakdown, while a web design proposal might focus more on timelines and deliverables. You want the template to reflect your unique approach, so your client feels you've tailored it specifically to them. Next, once you have your base template, customize it. Proposal templates are only as useful as you make them. Personalize each section by adding in specific details about the client's needs, your services, and any previous work that might be relevant. The more personalized, the better. A template should help guide you, but it should never feel like a one-size-fits-all solution. Then, move on to pricing. Most templates will have a section for this, but you should always adjust it based on the scope of the project. A flat price may work for some, but often, pricing based on deliverables, timelines, or hourly rates is more appropriate, especially if you're working on a custom project. You'll want to make sure your pricing section is clear, concise, and easy to understand. It's one of the most important parts of your proposal, so take extra care here. After pricing, don't forget about the timeline. This is critical, especially when working with clients who have strict deadlines. Many templates include space for a timeline, but you should be specific. Outline key milestones, deliverables, and the expected completion date. Clients will appreciate knowing when they can expect progress, and it'll keep you accountable as well. Finally, always wrap up your proposal with a solid closing statement. Reiterate the value you bring to the table, how your solution addresses the client's pain points, and next steps for moving forward. A clear and confident call to action can make a huge difference in converting a proposal into a signed contract. One of the tools I recommend for creating these proposals quickly and efficiently is a specific software, which you can try using through an exclusive free trial linked in the description. I've tested a bunch of options, but this software stands out for its ease of use, customizability, and the range of professional templates it offers. You can follow along with the free trial and start creating proposals right away. Key takeaway: when using proposal templates, always ensure they're tailored to your specific service and client needs. Customize each section, especially pricing and timelines, to make sure your proposal stands out and is easy for clients to understand. And remember, using the right software can save you a ton of time and improve the quality of your proposals. Before I wrap up, don't forget to grab that exclusive free trial of the software we used in this video from the description below. You'll get access to all the tools to start creating proposals that are on point, fast. Thanks for watching.